تھوڑا اور انتظار کریں.
Wait a bit longer. Wait a bit longer.
ہمیں ہفتے میں ایک بار ساحل سمندر پر جانے کی اجازت ہے.
We are allowed to visit the beach once a week. We are allowed to visit the beach once a week.
آپ کو قبول کرنا ہوگا کہ آپ کون ہیں.
You have to accept who you are. You have to accept who you are.
بچوں نے آج حروف تہجی سیکھے.
The kids learned the alphabet today. The kids learned the alphabet today.
اس کے گلے میں ایک گلٹی بن گئی تھی.
A lump had formed in her throat. A lump had formed in her throat.
وہ دھوکہ دہی پر درد سے چلایا.
He cried out in pain at the betrayal. He cried out in pain at the betrayal.
میں صرف ایک رات رہوں گا.
I would be staying only for a night. I would be staying only for a night.
ہمارے سونے کا وقت گزر چکا ہے.
It is already past our bedtime. It is already past our bedtime.
آپ کو رات کے اس وقت تک باہر نہیں ہونا چاہیے.
You should not be out by this time of the night. You should not be out by this time of the night.
اس نے اس کی فکر کرنا چھوڑ دی تھی.
She had ceased to worry over it. She had ceased to worry over it.